as they bring it here on the runway. Mr. Altura Santa Mesa, Jeremy Nalas. Mr. Anola Santa Mesa, Diaz Saba. And Mr. Avenida Santa Cruz, James Padilla. Together with Mr. Pahawan Santa Mesa, Jeffrey Reyes. And Mr. Colum Pagano, Christian Ed Patel. Let's call in Mr. Calabash Apollo, Harry Francis John, Mr. Cardiello Bravo, E.K. Romero, and Mr. Frank Samato, Raymond Alvarez. Mr. Dini Angel Santa Mesa, Alexis Bedonia, and Jose Santa Mesa, Brett Forward. And Mr. Loris Apollo, Barbie Morales. I got Don Correra and Mr. Loreto Zapano. Jay Morales. Together with Mr. Robini Malate, Joseph Brown Rojas, and Mr. Coriolis Tuco, Dennis McGuire. Kevin Reyes. big round of applause to all of our Hawks in their sexy sports attire. Year in and year out, of course, ito kasi sa mga bago na introduce na segments. Ayan. And of course, to my co-host Elle, she just had to leave because she had an event to attend to. But of course, nonetheless, this event will be awesome still. Alright, before anything else, kudos once again to the handlers and managers. You guys pulled it off. You guys became very imaginative on this one. But this is on the hands of the judges kung sino mapapapasukin nila sa top 3. And I think nahihirapan silang mag-isip kung sino mapapapasukin nila. It's tight race again. Let's start off with Mr. Jonathan Alec.
Wait. Okay. My top choice is from Tondo. Liwayway Tondo.
I do have to say, brother, you really pulled it off. I mean, sabi ko sa likod, we were talking to sports ko daw talaga ang artist, if I'm mistaken. Ito, hindi na napasok to, ewan ko. Deserved, I have to say, brother. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Jonathan. Let's move on to Sir Carlo.
Okay, congratulations kay Liwayway Tondo. Actually, ano kami kanina, kasi same yung feeling ko. Kasi because of the execution, kumbaga not only the costume, more so the execution. Okay, for me naman, ako yung nag-comment kasi ni AC, wala pa tayo nag-golden na awards. So this time, ating top choice ko din to. And not only the styling niya, sa execution din pa siya mapilitan ng sports, sexy sports. So for me, si Mr. No.
Nabati ko at actually I was thinking backstage kung baka may mag-go.
Yeah, again, it's Mr. Mabini.
Mr. Mabini Malala! So he was also well executed, sabi ni Sir Carlo. And actually backstage, habang nag-isip ko, baka may mag-double dito sa segment na sure enough, meron nga. Tingnan natin kung tama yung hula ko sa utak ko on the third one. Miss Jess?
Kasi kinasusan. Actually, start nga kasi mostly the same naman preparedness. Tapos, this one kasi parang stand out lang, pacing lang, size. And then, Mr. Ronald Tondo.
Mr. Ronald Tondo! Congratulations! Alright! Boxer, boxer, Muay Thai! Congratulations to our top 3 palabang naman natin sa sporty attire. Alright, House, alam mo, excited naman yung manonood natin sa next segment natin. Hindi ko naman natagalin ako. Go ahead, go backstage, mag-prepare na kayo sa ating most awaited segment of this competition. It is, of course, the swimwear. Alright.